Hi viewers, I'm in my tabernacle here, and guess what? We got a tornado warning here. We're tornadoes out, maybe coming this way here, and it's heading for Franklin, Tennessee here, where I'm at. So I got the radio on here, but I don't think it's. Let me turn it off. You can hear the sirens are going off here. Listen there. Hear the sirens, tornado sirens outside. I mean, they're really wailing outside. Heard this about like 15 minutes ago. I was wondering, what's all that noise out there? What's all the siren sounds? Listen, viewers. Wow. Alright, so we got some kind of tornado, severe thunderstorm, and a possible tornado maybe with the storm here. Spring Hill, which is kind of like south of Franklin, Tennessee, down US Highway 31. Well, I guess they got like 75 mile per hour straight line winds getting hammered with. So we're going to get whacked here. Some severe weather here, dear viewers. So you can hear those sirens going off. Tornado sirens. Let's see if we can put a light on here. I can't believe this. Okay, so we're in the tent right now. So I gotta pee too, man. This is the most inconvenient time to piss. I gotta take a pee here. Oh my, come on. So here I am, dear viewers. Your dear host here. Little host. I don't know what it is. Okay, here I am. Here's your little host. I'm your host. Tornado host here. Yes, I'm in my tent. We got tornado sirens outside. Wow, this is crazy. I'm gonna get hammered. This little tent, I got it anchored pretty good, but it's still not, you know. There's a piss bottle. This tent's gonna get hammered here. See, those are those sirens outside you hear. Tornado sirens. Oh my goodness. Lord, I pray you watch over me. I gotta take a pee real bad. I'm sorry right now. I'll be right back. Dear viewers. There we go. Back. I can't believe this. Yeah. Oh Lord, I pray for your watch over me here. Springtime weather, we're coming into spring here, Middle Tennessee. I'm in the tent, tabernacle, in an ALPS Mountaineering two-person lake tent with a dark teal rainfly, as you can see. Wow. Murray, yeah. That's just south of here in Murray County. The next county south of Williamson County here. Don't tell me the power's going to go out for most of the people around Nashville. Oh. That's where I'm at. I'm south of Nashville, about 20 miles. Just had a piss bottle, y'all. I'll have to burn that tomorrow, looks like. I don't have no phone service, or I would call in that radio station. I wouldn't actually call in and tell them I'm in the tabernacle, y'all. But you get to watch on YouTube videos on mine, dear viewers. I don't hear no more sirens. I don't get hit with a tornado. That will survive a tornado, stretch kid. If a tornado hit this tent, I would be gone. I would be a goner. I open this up just to get the air. It's really humid, yeah. I can't believe this, though. I never expected this tonight, you know, like a severe storm like this. They said some rain, that's what they were saying, rain, but they didn't say anything about severe weather at all. Wow. Praise the Lord for that. Yeah. Giles, yeah. That's south of here, Giles. That's going towards Alabama. Wow. That's straight line winds. That's pretty strong, yeah. That's almost like hurricane force strength, yeah. That's straight line winds. It's like a derecho. They call it derecho, yeah. It's called a derecho, yeah. Straight line winds like that. That's a derecho. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this up. The home in Dollar General. I have a drink. Might be my last milk drink, huh? Then watch out some of the crime criminals out there in Nashville, full of crime, violent crime. Habib, huh? Wow. That's a whole state that went the whole state of Tennessee. Portland's like way up north, you know. Yeah, Brentwood's just north of where I'm at. Brentwood. just north of Franklin. That's the northern part of Williamson County where I'm at. Oh wow! Now we got something going on here. There we go, there, viewers. National Weather Service alert here. Well, that's northeast of here, so I have a feeling we might be out in the woods here in Franklin. I think. Tabernacle. Well, I think it's north. That's northeast of here, though. Wow. I'm in the tent. I'm surviving in the tent there, viewers. We're getting a little wind now. Looks like a little. I see the tent moving a little bit. I got the vents open, so I got a little water that can come in through that. Well, maybe I shouldn't count my chickens before they hatch. Getting some wind now. Wow. Well, this is coming into spring here, so we get this kind of weather, and usually it's pretty typical. I've never been here in Tennessee before, so I don't hear no sirens no more, though. didn't get a whole lot of heavy rain though. I mean, it's raining, but it's not like heavy like a downpour or anything. You know, just like a normal rain, thunderstorm rain. I mean, I wouldn't go out there and take a piss or anything, but piss if against the wall, yeah. Blowing it in, yeah, a little rain blowing it through the vents. I feel it right here. A few drops. Now the rain's starting to get a little heavier now. Okay, viewers, before I wear my battery out here. Okay.
That's 65 between mile 86 and 99.
Thank you.